Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Selma local and long-distance movers near me. If you're wishing to take the stress and anxiety out of your move, our qualified movers help make your long-distance move simpler. We help you move to the next state over or all the way across the country. With the right moving services to assist you, any type of move, big or small, becomes a lot simpler. If you're searching for a general move or a full-service move, our company offers all the choices you need, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Choosing a local California moving company may seem unnecessary at first. A closer look at the benefits you get from a local moving company can help you understand why it's a smart decision. The time savings you gain can make hiring a moving company among the best decisions you've made. You will also get to minimize the heavy lifting, which means no threat of injury. Our moving crew will make it simple to reach your new location without having nearly as much stress. You never have to worry about devoting multiple days dealing with your move when you select 3 movers to help. A move that would take you all weekend to execute, we can take care of in one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Selma moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.